Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. When you eat pumpkin, what do you do with the seeds? Do you throw them away? Did you know that the seeds contain various nutrients and substances that are very useful for our health? Pumpkin seeds can be included in the diet to improve brain and heart function, promote intestinal health, and reduce inflammation in the body. Check out how interesting these benefits of pumpkin seeds are. Helps with weight loss as they're rich in fiber, which keeps you full longer and promotes weight loss. It fights intestinal parasites and can be consumed by both children and adults. You can learn how to make a remedy against intestinal parasites from pumpkin seeds in the video we recommend at the end of this video. Contributes to building muscle mass, as it's an excellent source of protein. Prevents anemia, as they're an excellent source of iron. Reduces inflammation, helping to protect the body from cardiovascular and brain diseases, and improves memory and mood. Lowers blood sugar levels because they're easily digestible and stabilize blood sugar. According to scientists, pumpkin seeds are also good allies of the prostate. The oil extracted from the pumpkin seeds can also be used to treat an enlarged prostate. It's ideal to consume pumpkin seeds together with foods rich in vitamin C, as this facilitates the absorption of many nutrients through the intestines. Some foods rich in vitamin C are oranges, tangerines, papaya, strawberries, and kiwi. It's also very easy to find them in health food stores and online. Did you know that there's also pumpkin seed oil? Soon we'll tell you more about this oil and how you can use it as a home remedy. Did you like to learn more about pumpkin seeds? Let us know in the comments if you eat these seeds. We'd love to hear your opinion.